Hey all, in this video we are going to create this text portrait effect in Photoshop, which you have seen in social media posts mostly used for a famous quote by a certain individual. With the image already open in Photoshop, let's get started. I'll put the image links in description. First, let's select the subject from the image and press Ctrl or Command plus J to make a new layer from it. Now make it a smart object and let's rename the layer as subject. Now activate the background layer and add a solid color adjustment layer above it. For this effect, black color is mostly favorable. Finalize the size of the subject and now create a merged copy of all the layers. Convert that to a smart object. Now double click on it to open it in a new tab. Now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur and set the radius to 10 and press OK. Now go to File, Save As and let's name it as Displacement Map. Save it at the location you can find it later. Make sure the type of the file is PSD. Now close the tab and you will be back to the main document. Now you can delete the merged copy layer. Now activate the text tool by pressing T or clicking on the T on the tools bar and drag along the area of the canvas and add your text. Choose the text color same as the background color. Make sure the space between the lines are minimal. Now duplicate the text layer. Hide the main layer and then with a duplicate layer active, convert it to the smart object. We have kept the text layer as a backup in case we need to change the text later so we don't have to rewrite it. Now make sure the subject layer is on top of the text smart object layer. Clip it and with text smart object layer active. Now go to Filter, Distort and Displace and set both the scale to 20 and make sure these options are enabled. Stretch to fit, repeat as pixels, embedded file data in smart object. Now press OK and then select the displacement file we saved earlier. You can add mask to the subject layer and fade out the edges to make it look more aesthetic. If you are curious about what displacement filter does, then the answer is this. It distorts an image or selection by using the color values of another image as guide. So for this text portrait effect, we have bent our text and wrapped around the contours of the subject's face. So that is it. I know you have enjoyed this, so don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share your edits with me by following my socials. Links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.